In this tutorial, we will learn what is ng template and how we can use in our Angular application. Ng template is an Angular element which is used to render HTML elements or HTML template. Let us have a quick example of ng template with the help of ngIf structure directive. So we have this particular boolean value, that is so, and we will define to template block and use that particular template in our if and else block. Here we are putting up the condition and we will have the then statement. There we can define the reference of ng template. Let us say it will be then statement, else it will be else statement. We are defining the ng template. This is for the then statement. This is the true condition block. This is the false statement block. Let us quickly run the application and see. Let us see the browser. So this is the true block that has been executed, and what if I am giving it a false, then what will happen? This is the false or else block condition. So we have defined the ng template for the true condition and the false state condition, and based on the condition we pass, true or false, it is executing the then and else statement like any other programming language. Just like other programming language, it is also rendering its element on the basis of condition. If it is true, then true block. If false, then else block. So this is the quick example of structured directive ngIf with then and else statement, and we have utilized the ng template and have seen how it works. Thank you so much.